Attack defense exercise, I'll be using Blue Imp jQuery file upload component vulnerability. This vulnerability allows an attacker to upload arbitrary piece of code and execute it when accessed through the browser. I'll be configuring XAMPP distribution on Windows 7 VM to set up Apache and PHP environment. Updated to Service Pack 1, which is validated by going into Control Panel, System. XAMPP distribution is installed under C drive XAMPP folder. Apache configuration for the XAMPP has been updated to reflect the out-of-box configuration. It is validated by going into Apache, conf, extra, and by opening the httpd-xampp.conf file. If you scroll down below, as you can see here, the out-of-box configuration of XAMPP has been replaced by out-of-box configuration of the Apache. In addition, I have installed Blue Imp jQuery upload component under the folder XAMPP htdocs. And the folder name for the web application is jQuery file upload. Now, we have to make sure that the folder in which it uploads and saves the file must have the right permission. That folder is under server, PHP, files folder. On the C drive, I have created a folder named confidential with one file called secret.txt. Content of this file is, this is a secret text. During the demonstration, we will be uploading a PHP code on the server and try to download this secret.txt file sitting on the root C drive on the attacker machine. In addition, jQuery file upload demo web application can be accessed using the URL localhost/jQuery file upload. It's the IP address of Windows 7 hosting Apache server. It is 192.168.50.76. I will be using another instance of Windows 7 to launch the attack. I have already created an exploit code in PHP. We will be uploading this PHP file using the jQuery upload component. Once uploaded, I will be able to see the listing of all the files and folder under a specific folder, which gives me ability to browse all the files under a specific folder. And once a file is identified using the another set of components or command, I will be able to download the file on the attacker machine, or in this case the Windows 7 instance from which I'm going to launch the attack. Let's get started. On the second Windows 7 instance, load the jQuery file upload web application. Next, I am going to upload the exploit code which I have created. As you can see now, the exploit code has been uploaded on the server. Let's try to access it. We know that the uploaded files are stored under server PHP files. So let's try to access using the following path. So now you can see that the uploaded PHP file is now loaded on the browser. List file and directory section allows me to browse the folder structure as well as the files in a specific folder. It's a very primitive form right now, but it can be improved quite a bit. So let's start. If I enter C drive and click submit, it is going to show me all the folders and the files located on the C drive. So let's look into the program. If I want to see the content of the program files, so I'm going to enter the path C drive program file. And then when I click on the submit, it is going to show me the content of the C program file section. So let's go back to C drive. As you can see here, it shows the folder which we have created called confidential. So let's try to print the content of this folder. So as you see here, it has a one file called secret.txt. So now we know the secret.txt file exists under C confidential folder structure. So let's try to download using the section called download file. And when I click on the submit, as you can see here, the file has been downloaded locally. Let's open this. And the content is exactly same as what we saw on the server. This is a secret text. The example we just saw was a very simple use case of the exploit. Exploit can be further enhanced to be more user-friendly, or it can be enhanced to compress a whole folder before downloading it, or it can be very destructive, like deleting the whole set of files and folder.